Best Small Meeting Room Product. And the finalists are D10, Logitech, Neat, BenQ.
For the best small meeting room product, I was looking for something that was actually developed for small meeting rooms and not just a scaled down version of a different product, and also something that had unique capabilities for small meeting rooms. And some of the applicants also did a really good job on ensuring sustainability, which I also appreciated. And the winner for best small meeting room product is Logitech.